What we're going to be doing right now is getting you started with a Payoneer account. Now, for you international freelancers, you may or may not have access to PayPal. When I was getting started, I didn't have access to PayPal. The country which I lived in did not allow for PayPal to let you receive funds. Now, that's a real bummer because you want to be able to receive money from your friends, from your clients, right? But the paper only allowed you spend money, which is not a good thing. So I had to do a lot of research before I found this company online, and I've been using them for almost 2 years, more than 2 years, if not. And I can tell you that they are an amazing company. It's called Payoneer.com. If you go to their website, you can easily get signed up. Now I have a referral link for Payoneer. If you want that referral link, you can just shoot me a message through my email address and I'll send you a link to sign up. The link will give you $25 when you make your first 1000 USD online. So that's a small perk for you, and the same applies to me. So if you're interested, just shoot me a message and I will be happy to send you a link. Otherwise, just come to the website. This is what the website looks like. They have partnered with industries like Airbnb and all these other industries, Upwork, which is good. Some of their you know people that work with them, they've served a good number of people, right? And now let's get you started. So you click on the sign up button right here. I would not be filling this form today because it's a bankish thing, but I'll be telling you what you should look out for. Or you know what, I will just fill it for the fun of it. You can sign up as an individual, as a company. Just mind you, whatever you sign up as, you would have to um, like prove it, right? So just better to sign up as an individual. So my first name is Alyssa. My last name is Monero. Email address is alyssaonlinebiz@gmail.com. Again, so that I don't type the wrong address. Date of birth was, we agreed it was October, so 10. No, okay, just have to select it. And we said 1992. We said 1st of October, right? Go to the next page. It's going to ask you for your details. Now we're going to add should be your address. You're going to have to confirm all of this, so please make sure you're putting in the right information. You do not want to run into issues. um let's see. All right, I'm going to click next. So it's going to ask you for security details. Now let's add in a password. We're going to confirm that password. Security question. I have no idea what this is. I'm just going to say 07. So what kind of ID will you provide? So national ID, just say, all right, I'm just going to put that and click next. Almost done, right? Personal account, company account, um you know but we're going to do personal account. Now, this is asking you for bank details, your bank details, so that they would um, let you withdraw funds to your bank account. So you can choose currency and location of bank. You know, um, give me a second. Let me fill these details, and we'll come back to the video. TransferWise details, which is a bank that I think, sorry, which is a service I think you should sign up for too. Is very good. Your clients will be able to send you. Mhm. So, which is a um service that I think is really good, and I think your clients will be able to send you um payments through that platform. So these are my details, and I'll fill them in. Let's finish up with the sign up process. All right, they will successfully sent it in. They will do a review process, and then once the application has been approved, they will send me an email telling me that it has been approved. Now, I don't expect it to be. So what they are going to do is that they will send you an email, and they'll tell you that they need your utility bill and your international passport, a copy of your data page, scanned or photocopied, whichever you want to use. And they would need that. If you're sending in your utility bill and it's not in your own name, you would also need to send in a copy of your lease or your renting contract. It depends on whatever you use as a proof of your address, right? So that's what you need to do. So once you sign up, you have to wait a while. They also send you a card, a MasterCard. You can choose the currency when you're choosing your currency. See, they've sent me the email here. Dear Alyssa, will review your Payoneer account, blah blah blah, right? Um, the card, the your first $30. So the yearly maintenance fee for that card is about, let's just say. So when you have up to $30 in your Payoneer account, you can now request for a card to be shipped to you. Now, depending on where you are, it usually takes anywhere from 2 weeks to 1 month to get your card. Now, the good thing is you can connect your bank account straight to your Payoneer account and then withdraw it through your bank account. And you can also link your Upwork account to your Payoneer account, which makes things a bit smooth for you. Now, if you do have PayPal, then that makes your work even much easier, and you can just connect your PayPal account and withdraw it the normal way you would use PayPal. So this option is there for people who do not have the PayPal available to them directly. So I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next lesson.